Hi guys, so what am I expecting on GU? What I'm expecting on GU is I'm still expecting GU to push up a little bit, to be honest, and let me draw a trend line so we can see my reason why I'm expecting a push up on GU. I go to the 3 hours and see. Okay, I think this looks good. Okay, so what am I expecting GU? I'm expecting a move on GU to at least this level right here. Then we might continue down depending on how it reacts. Maybe to this right here. There's an imbalance here. So let me explain my reason. My reason is because my strategy, right, is because whenever we get to my negative 27% fib level, majority of the time I knew we are going to reverse a little bit. So to be honest, right, what was I expecting on GU? Right, I was expecting a retracement on GU deep down to this level right here, or probably this level right here, because if you zoom in, there is an other block here. There's also an imbalance at that level, and that also zone is also my negative 27% fib level, right? So if you watch my previous video, right, since we broke the structure right here, break of structure, I was expecting an impulse, a correction move to at least this level right here before we now continue to my target, which is around this level. But as you can see, we didn't get that, right? So but we can see that's why we have to be open-minded. So my both scenarios was either we come here, or we can see right here there was a break of structure around this level, so we might just come down here to retest. So either this level right here or this level right here to retest this level, then to push down to my overall scenario right at that moment right here. So those were my initial thought on GU. But as you can see, GU did not retrace really deep to these levels, which is fine. Your strategy doesn't work 100%, but it still follow market price action, right? If we see right here, this is a sensitive zone around the zone right here, right? These are sensitive area around the zone right here. So even though this was invalid, this was an invalid entry, this was an invalid entry, sorry, this was a valid entry, this was also a valid entry, and this was also a valid entry. So there are always multiple entries in the markets, right? You just have to see the ones it reacts on. Assuming we went bullish on this level right here, there's a possibility it might just come to this level, then retest. Then if we break this level with a bullish move, there's also a possibility that we might come to this level for an entry as well. But since we see that it's wicked out of this zone right here, to be honest with you, I didn't take this trade, and that was because I was expecting a deep retrace to either this or this level. So that was my watch list, that was what I was watching. But we can also see the market always follow price action and market structure. We can see this is also an invalid entry, and the reason is an invalid entry is because of, we can see this is a sensitive area right here. Whenever it gets to this zone, it bounces, right? So it broke this zone, it came here to retest, and we can see the retesting as well. We have a big rejection at that zone right here. So that was a possibility that we are going to go higher, and I bet you even this level right here is my negative 27%. Let me use my Fibonacci. Yeah, we can see, sorry, let me change white. Okay, we can see, right? So that's a place for retracement as well. Yeah, So it didn't fully get to that level right here, but we can see it's oh sorry, that was a mistake. It should be here to here. Yeah, so we can see. So if I have drawn my fib level right here, I will have known that okay, we can see that level right here is a sensitive area, sensitive zone, and that also aligns with my negative 27.2% fib level. So there's a possibility we might retrace from that area. So that was it, but like I said, I didn't see that because I was expecting a deeper move. So now let's go to continue, right? So assuming we pushed down to where I thought we would, let me use my fib and see. There's still a possibility I might get to that level right here. So my fib from here to here, right, from here to here. So we can see if you have retested to this level, that will be my 88.6%, which aligns with my other block and my imbalance. And if you have retested at my second entry, that aligns with my 78.6%, right? So my target would have been this area, to be honest, negative 27.6, and this is my next target as well. But since we did not go that deep, so let me delete the fib right here and let me just focus on this current move right here. We can see, if you've been watching my videos, right, you know majority of the time these two levels right here, these two levels right here are always my entry point. I like entries at this deep retracement, right? So we can see right at this there is an imbalance that aligns a little bit with my 70 with my 88.6%. Let's see, 3 hours around this level right here. Yeah, so that's what I'm expecting. We can see right here, right, there is an imbalance here. There is a 88.6 fib level at that level right here. So there's a possibility we might get that before we now push to the downside. So that's a possibility. Yeah, so that's just what I'm saying, right? And let's see, as long as we did not break out, because overall, right, you're still on a buy trend to my level right here, to be honest, around 1.3103 for that's still my overall level right here. So let's see, as long as we don't break the structure right here, we're still on a downtrend, right? So that's a possibility on a downtrend. But if you break out of the zone, retest the zone, this will be my next target right here. So overall, that's my scenario, but I'm currently analyzing based on the current price action. So this is the current price action to this level until otherwise is proven. This is still my analysis on GM. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have any question, please leave it in the section. Leave it down in the section comment below, and I'll do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video, and if you are new, thank you so much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video.